Mr. Lexx is on the right line.
Shot. Tell them say war if you want, but we are on the place. A money man a make a man now have time for race. A 10 tongue you have then alright go and chase. While you watch this man a walk your girl pon the base. Pool war if you want. War on the place. A money man a make a man now have time for chase. A 10 tongue you have then alright go and chase. Cause while you watch chase, tell them I got my money in the bank and my mama sashing it. No worry about security cause my friend them watching it. Look on my eyes blink when the lights them catching it. Somebody man selector all them always watching it. You see my Benz over the sun and my friend them splashing it. And pull up on the ends you see my boys washing it. You know sell you come or a be splashing dashing it. And I feel your girl where you have a crashing it. So tell them say war if you want pussy we no come for chase. I have some black talent and Teflon support on me face. Just this I make we bust off your face. Anyway you say we fast the whole your space. And war if you want but we are on the place. Money man a make a man now have time for race. A 10 tongue you have then alright go and chase. Cause while you a chase, yo, if you a pastor man then go find a memorial. Add up all your argument and give me the total. You want to start then you just start it novel. And stop drop your word like some big pussy girl. We no have no time for go on no funeral. We have a hot girl and meet way out of the mineral. The girl them surround me like the governor general. No.